Hello and welcome. This is Johnny from SkyCiv. Today I'll be showing you how to use the copy tools in our new software CloudCAD. Copy tools allow you to quickly duplicate geometry and build out your models more efficiently. The most basic way to copy an object is by selecting it. This can be either done by clicking, or here I'm pressing Shift and dragging across the object, and then using Command C to copy and Command V to paste. For more control, head up to the top toolbar where you'll find the copy tools. Here you can see all the default shortcuts for these tools. However, you can customize them at any time in the Shortcuts tab. Starting with Relative Copy, highlight the object you want to copy. Activate the tool. I'm using Shift P from Custom Shortcuts here. Then click a point on the canvas to begin. You can then place your copy freely or enter exact values for precise positioning. Additionally, while moving around your copy, you can hold Shift to lock it in to either the X or Y axes. Next is Mirror Copy. Select your object, then activate the Mirror tool or use the shortcut ML. Define your mirror line by selecting a start and end point, and a mirrored copy will be created across that line. Next is Copy Array. Select your object, activate the tool or use AR. Define the direction of your array. You can enter your spacing and number of repetitions to quickly generate multiple copies. Next is Offset Copy. Select your object, activate the tool or press O. Then define your offset distance. You can press Tab to invert the direction, for example from 3000 to -3000. Additionally, this can be used with shapes to create an offset shell. Finally, we have Copy by Rotation. Select your object and activate the tool. I have mine set to CR. You can define a rotation angle and number of times to copy around a point. If you enter the number of copies and use the auto option, the angle will be calculated for even spacing. Additionally, you can use the slider to preview increasing repetitions before confirming. And that's how you use the copy tools in CloudCAD.